My name is Ryan. I'm a real estate investor, and I would give Landlord Studio a 5 out of 5. When I started as a real estate investor, I was using Excel and other products. I started to look into other solutions, including QuickBooks and other products on the App Store. And when I found Landlord Studio, I knew I had found the right solution for me. So I was looking for a product that would help me solve a couple problems, including consolidating everything with my business, able to track each property separately with expenses and income, and also for tax time to be able to run reports. And I selected Landlord Studio due to not only those features and benefits, but also excellent customer service. The process to start using Landlord Studio is very simple. You just start adding properties and upload your leases and documents, dates and expenses, and it's just kind of a use as you go type software that a just in time solution makes it much easier to track your properties in real time. If you're considering using Landlord Studio, I highly recommend it. You can start with a trial and just test out one or two properties in the beginning, but it's excellent for any landlord from one property up to multiple. And I highly recommend testing it out and seeing if it is the right solution for you and your business. It has been for me, and I think it will be for you as well.